over 60. Eat this purple vegetable for better heart and bone health. Did you know that one of the most powerful foods for your heart and bones may already be sitting in your grocery store right now, hidden in plain sight? It is not an expensive supplement. It is not a rare superfood from another country. And it is not something you need to eat in huge amounts every day. It is a simple purple vegetable, red cabbage. If you are over 60, red cabbage may deserve a regular place on your plate. Its bright purple color is not just beautiful. That color comes from natural plant compounds that may help protect your heart, support healthy blood flow, and reduce some of the everyday stress your body faces as you get older. And stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you the best simple way to prepare red cabbage so it stays crunchy, delicious, and keeps more of its natural goodness. Most people see red cabbage as just something added to coleslaw, salads, or sandwiches. But after the age of 60, it can become much more than a colorful side dish. As we get older, the heart has to work harder. Blood vessels can become less flexible. Blood pressure may rise. Cholesterol may become more difficult to manage. At the same time, bones naturally become weaker with age, especially after menopause in women and later in life for men. That is why simple foods that support more than one part of the body are worth paying attention to. And red cabbage is one of those foods. Why the purple color matters for your heart. The first thing you notice about red cabbage is its rich purple color. That color comes from natural plant compounds called anthocyanins. You do not need to remember that difficult word. Just remember this. The purple color in red cabbage contains protective plant nutrients that may help your heart stay stronger as you age. These purple compounds are also found in foods like blueberries, blackberries, purple grapes, plums, and purple sweet potatoes. But red cabbage is special because it is affordable, widely available, low in calories, and easy to add to everyday meals. Think of the blood vessels in your body like flexible garden hoses. When they are healthy, blood can move through them more smoothly. But over time, poor food choices, smoking, lack of activity, stress, and aging can make those pathways less flexible. Red cabbage cannot magically repair everything overnight. No food can do that. But eating more colorful vegetables, especially purple and deep red vegetables, can be one small but meaningful step towards supporting healthier blood vessels and a stronger heart. The antioxidants in red cabbage help the body deal with oxidative stress. That may sound technical, but here is the simple version. Every day, your body faces wear and tear. Pollution, stress, poor sleep, processed foods, and even normal aging can create tiny amounts of damage inside the body. Antioxidant-rich foods help your body defend itself against some of that stress. This is why the color of your food matters. A plate filled only with white bread, fried foods, sugary drinks, and processed snacks gives your body very little protection. But a plate that includes purple cabbage, green vegetables, beans, fish, fruit, nuts, and olive oil gives your body more of the nutrients it needs to keep working properly. Red cabbage is not a miracle cure, but it is a smart food choice. A simple vegetable that may help support healthy blood pressure. Blood pressure becomes more important with every passing year. Many people over 60 take medication for high blood pressure. If that is you, keep taking your medicine exactly as your doctor prescribed. But food still matters. What you eat every day can either support your treatment plan or work against it. Red cabbage contains natural plant compounds and fiber that fit well into a heart-friendly diet. Fiber is important because it helps support healthy digestion and may help with cholesterol management when combined with an overall balanced eating pattern. It also helps you feel full, which can make it easier to avoid overeating foods that are high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Instead of thinking of red cabbage as a boring vegetable, think of it as a colorful replacement. Replace some chips with crunchy cabbage salad. Replace a heavy creamy side dish with lemony red cabbage slaw. Replace a processed snack with a small bowl of cabbage mixed with cucumber, herbs, olive oil, and a little apple cider vinegar. Small changes can add up. And for people over 60, those small changes often matter more than extreme diets that are impossible to maintain. But it is not just about your heart. But red cabbage is not only about your heart. This same vegetable contains something that matters deeply for your bones too. Many people think bone health is only about calcium. Calcium is important, of course. But strong bones need more than calcium alone. They also need vitamin D, protein, movement, strength exercises, and several important nutrients from food. One of those nutrients is vitamin K.F. Vitamin K helps the body use certain proteins involved in normal bone metabolism. In simple words, it is one of the nutrients your body needs as it works to maintain healthy bones. That matters because as people age, bones can gradually lose density and strength. You may notice it in small ways at first. Maybe your knees feel weaker when climbing stairs. Maybe you feel less stable when walking quickly. Maybe your posture has changed over the years. Maybe you worry more about slipping, falling, or losing balance. Red cabbage cannot replace medical treatment for osteoporosis. It cannot replace calcium, vitamin D, or exercise. But it can be one useful part of a bone-friendly lifestyle. And the best part is that you do not need to eat a mountain of it. Even adding a small serving a few times each week is a good start. The vitamin C surprise most people do not expect. Here is a surprising fact. Many people think only oranges are rich in vitamin C. But raw red cabbage is also an excellent source of vitamin C. A cup of chopped raw red cabbage can provide a meaningful amount of vitamin C, which is important because vitamin C helps the body make collagen. Collagen is a protein that helps support many parts of the body, including blood vessels, cartilage, skin, tendons, ligaments, bones, and teeth. That is why vitamin C matters for more than just the immune system. For someone over 60, collagen support becomes especially important because the body naturally changes with age. Joints may feel stiffer. Skin may become thinner. Recovery may take longer. Bones and connective tissues need proper nutrition to stay as strong as possible. Red cabbage gives you vitamin C in a simple low-calorie food that can be added to many meals. And there is another reason this matters. When people hear heart health or bone health, they often imagine expensive pills, powders, and complicated diets. But sometimes the answer is much simpler. Eat more real food. Eat more color. Eat more vegetables that look like they came from nature, not a factory. Why red cabbage is better than many healthy packaged foods. Walk through any grocery store and you will see hundreds of products claiming to be healthy. Heart-healthy cereal, bone support drinks, immune boosters, vegetable powders, detox snacks. But many of these products are highly processed, high in sugar, or expensive. Red cabbage is different. It is a real food. It is inexpensive. It can last in the refrigerator for days. It is crunchy, colorful, and filling. And it works beautifully with foods that are already good for your heart and bones, such as olive oil, walnuts, beans, fish, yogurt, apples, carrots, and leafy greens. The goal is not to eat one food and expect miracles. The goal is to build meals that quietly support your body day after day. That is how healthy aging works. Not through one dramatic change. Through small habits repeated again and again. The best simple way to eat red cabbage. Now let us get to the practical part. What is the best way to prepare red cabbage? The easiest answer is this: eat it raw or lightly cooked. Raw red cabbage keeps its crunch and gives you a bright, fresh taste. It is perfect in salads, slaws, wraps, sandwiches, and side dishes. Long boiling can reduce some of the delicate nutrients in vegetables, especially vitamin C. So instead of boiling red cabbage for a long time, try one of these simple options. You can shred it thinly and toss it with olive oil, lemon juice, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of salt. You can mix it with grated carrot, cucumber, apple slices, parsley, and a few walnuts. You can lightly sauté it for just a few minutes with garlic and olive oil until it becomes soft but still has some bite. Or you can add it to a stir-fry near the end, so it stays colorful and does not become mushy. Here is a simple heart-friendly red cabbage bowl you can make in minutes. Take 1 cup of thinly shredded red cabbage. Add half a grated carrot. Add a few cucumber slices. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts or pumpkin seeds. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over it. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Then add black pepper, parsley, or mint for flavor. That is it. You have a colorful side dish that feels fresh, crunchy, and satisfying. This combination works well because it brings together vegetables, healthy fats, fiber, and natural plant nutrients. You can eat it with grilled chicken, fish, lentils, beans, eggs, or a simple soup. Who should be careful with red cabbage? Red cabbage is safe for most people as part of a normal diet. But there are a few things to remember. If you take warfarin or another blood thinner that is affected by vitamin K, do not suddenly start eating large amounts of red cabbage every day without speaking to your doctor or pharmacist. Foods high in vitamin K can affect how some blood thinning medicines work, so consistency is important. Also, if cabbage usually gives you gas or bloating, start with a small amount. Your body may need time to get used to more fiber and cruciferous vegetables. Try half a cup at first. Chew slowly. Drink enough water. And see how your body feels. For many people, eating red cabbage a few times a week is an easy way to add more color and nutrition without upsetting the stomach. The bigger message for people over 60. The real lesson is not that red cabbage is magic. The real lesson is that your body responds to what you do repeatedly. One unhealthy meal will not destroy your health. One bowl of red cabbage will not transform it overnight. But your daily choices matter. Choosing vegetables instead of processed snacks matters. Choosing olive oil instead of deep frying matters. Choosing water instead of sugary drinks matters. Walking every day matters. Doing light strength exercises matters. Getting enough protein matters. Sleeping properly matters. And adding foods like red cabbage to your meals can be one simple part of that bigger picture. If you are over 60, do not wait for a health scare to start caring about your heart and bones. Start with your next meal. Pick up a red cabbage. Slice it thinly. Add lemon, olive oil, and a few nuts. And give your body a little more of what it needs to stay strong. Because healthy aging does not have to be complicated. Sometimes, it starts with 1 purple vegetable on your plate. If you found this helpful, comment below. Do you eat red cabbage raw, cooked, or not at all? And remember, small healthy habits today can help you feel stronger tomorrow.